Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Ervina Citrayuniar with NPM 234112002 from the Management Program of Universitas Teknokrat Indonesia. In this video, I will tell you about some material of leadership, situation, and adaptation material. The material on situation and leadership adaptation is an essential topic in the study of management and leadership. This material outlines how a leader must be able to read and understand the situation at hand and adapt his leadership style to be effective in managing the team and achieving organizational goals. Here is an in-depth explanation of these two concepts. 1. Situational leadership concept. 2. Leadership adaptation concept. Definition: situational leadership is a theory that states that there is no one leadership style that is universally effective. The leadership style should be adaptive to the condition and needs of a particular situation, such as the level of readiness or maturity of subordinates, the complexity of the tasks, and the work environment. This means the leader must be flexible and adaptable to changing conditions. Situational theory. Hersey-Blanchard model. This model divides leadership style into four main categories, namely 1. Directing or telling, suitable for subordinates who are inexperienced or lack skill. Leaders provide clear instruction and intensive supervision. 2. Coaching or selling, used when subordinates already have some experience but still need guidance to improve competence. Leaders are more supportive while providing direction. 3. Supporting or participation, applied to subordinates who are competent enough but still need emotional support or motivation. Leader act as facilitator and active listener. 4. Delegating for subordinates who are highly competent and able to work independently. The leader gives freedom and only provides direction at a strategic level. Style adjustment. In this model, the decision to change the leadership style is based on analyzing the readiness and maturity level of the subordinates. As the subordinate develops, the leader should reduce direct intervention and increase the role of a supporter or facilitator. Benefit of situational leadership. 1. Flexibility. Encourage leaders not to stick to one method, but to adjust to the real condition in the field. 2. Improve performance. With the right style, the team will feel more motivated and productive as their needs are well accommodated. And the last, people development. Leaders can help develop the skill and confidence or subordinates according to their stage of development. Definition of leadership adaptation. Leadership adaptation is the ability of a leader to adjust to internal and external change that occur in the organization environment. This includes response to market dynamics, technological change, organizational culture, and crises that can affect team performance and stability. Factors that drive adaptation. 1. Change in the external environment, for example, change in government regulation, market trends, or technological innovation that affect the industry. 2. Internal change, such as organizational restructuring, shift in work culture, or change in team structure. 3. Crisis or emergency, unforeseen situation that require quick response and strategy adjustment. Adaptation strategies in leadership. 1. Environmental monitoring and analysis. Leader must actively observe trends and dynamics happening both within the organization and outside. This includes using data and feedback from teams to inform strategic decisions. 2. Effective communication. As situations change, leaders need to communicate those changes to the team in a clear and transparent manner. Good communication helps to ease uncertainty and increase a sense of security in the work environment. 3. Flexible decision making. An adaptive leader will make decisions based on current conditions and be ready to adjust strategies when necessary without getting stuck on outdated plans. 4. Skill and competency development. Investing in employee training and development is key to ensuring the team can adapt to change. In addition, leaders themselves must continue to learn and develop their managerial skills. And the last, technology utilization. Information and communication technology can help leaders to monitor performance, manage communication, and make data-driven decisions in real time. Impact of leadership adaptation. 1. Organizational resilience. Organizations led by adaptive leaders tend to be faster and more effective in dealing with challenge and change. 2. Increased innovation. Adaptation often opens up opportunities for innovation as leaders are encouraged to seek creative solutions to problems. And the last, strengthening of organizational culture. Adaptation in leadership leads to a flexible and responsive culture, which in turn can increase employee collaboration and loyalty. One, accurate situation reading. Contextual analysis. Leader must be able to identify internal and external conditions that affect the team and operation. This analysis including an understanding of strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. Feedback and evaluation. Regularly conducting performance evaluation and getting feedback from the team can provide a clear picture of the current situation. 2. Situation style adjustment. Team dynamic. Adjust the leadership style according to the maturity, level and readiness of subordinates. For example, directing style with new teams that need clear direction and delegation with experienced team. Response to changing leadership strategies and approach when major change occur in the market or within the organization. And 3. Case study and practical application. For example, in a tech startup company, the leader may start with a directive approach to provide direction, while the team is still the product development stage. As the team gains experience and expertise, the leader shifts to a supportive and delegate style to allow the team to take their own initiative in terms of innovation and problem solving. Conclusion: the leadership situation and adaptation material emphasize the importance of flexibility and responsive in managing teams and dealing with the dynamic of the business environment. An effective leader must have the ability to read the situation appropriately and change his leadership style to suit the existing condition. This leadership adaptation not only support the improvement of team performance, but also ensure the organization is able to face challenge and seize opportunities in the midst of rapid change. Okay, that's all I can say. Hopefully this video can be useful for all of us. Thank you.